arbitrationagreements.org. A world where conflicts are resolved without the lengthy processes of court litigation. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's not a dream. It's called arbitration. Now, I am sure you have asked yourself, what makes arbitration stand out? Two words for you: speed and economy. Let's break that down a bit. First, the need for speed. The average arbitration case tends to wrap up in about 8 to 12 months. Now compare that with traditional court cases, some of which drag on for years. According to a study, in many jurisdictions, around 60% of court cases take more than 2 years to conclude. So, if you are looking for a quicker resolution, arbitration is your go-to. Second, the economics of the situation. We all know that time is money, but in the world of dispute resolution, this could not be more true. Arbitration, on average, costs about 50 to 80% less than court litigation. Let that sink in. Not only are you saving time, but you are also saving a significant chunk of change. It's clear that arbitration is not just an alternative. It's a viable, efficient, and cost-effective solution. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity in solving problems without resorting to long-drawn and expensive court battles. So the next time you find yourself caught in a dispute, or know someone who is, remember, Arbitration Solutions might just be the secret weapon you did not know you had. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process, ASAP. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think of the strategies in this video? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.